Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Cooking with the Claw, or is it Grilling with the Claw today? Cooking up some turkey burgers for a fantastic new recipe I just came up with. I've had these turkey burgers sitting in my freezer for literally months, and I had a bunch of cans of beans in the cupboard. I thought, you know what? I am gonna make a turkey burger and 3-bean chili. But guess what? I got a secret ingredient today that's gonna blow your mind. Right now it's hatch chili season. They come all the way from New Mexico, and I ordered a 5-pound box, and they came to my door. What am I gonna do with all those chilies? They're all over the place. I know exactly what to do with them. I'm putting them in that chili. We're gonna have a turkey burger, 3-bean chili with hatch green chilies, and it's gonna blow everybody away. I'm so excited to try this recipe. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Pull up a chair, grab a claw, because Cooking with the Claw starts now. We're going to have a can of organic black beans, a can of chili bean, 1 can of reduced sodium pinto beans, a can of no salt added diced organic tomatoes, and a can of sweet whole kernel corn with no salt added. We're going to have sea salt and pepper. We are going to have oregano, ground cumin, ground turmeric, garlic powder, and paprika. I have it all in the jar there ready to go into the chili. I just wanted to show you all the spices together. 1/2 of an organic onion, and 2 hatch chilies from all the way from New Mexico. Look at these guys, aren't they beautiful? We're gonna chop those up and put them in there. Turkey burgers, all I season them with is a little bit of sea salt and pepper and garlic powder. These are frozen, all white meat, natural turkey burgers. Any kind of turkey burgers you like. Okay, so first up, I washed our hatch chilies. Go ahead, we'll just cut the stems off. We're gonna slice these open. What I want to get out here is I want to take some of the seeds out. Remove those. They just come right out. Just going to put them all together like this. Cut them into little ringlets there. You want them smaller, but nothing too small that's going to just go to mush. A little bit bigger pieces. Kind of just get creative with the cutting. Okay. Yum-malicious. So let's put the lid on for right now. Let's let those start warming up, the onions and the hatch chilies. Put the crock pot on high, set for 4.5 hours. And the last thing that we're gonna put in will be the burgers because they'll be cooked already. So we're gonna add those a little bit later. Okay, I've got the can of diced organic tomatoes, no salt added. And I'm just gonna put the whole thing in there. Juice and all. It'll give a little bit of moisture. So I drained the liquid from the corn. You don't wanna use the liquid for that, just for the tomatoes. Just put the corn straight in. Same with the black beans. These are organic black beans. I drained most of the liquid off. Now on our can of chili beans that we're adding in, we're gonna add it with the liquid because it has a mild chili sauce that the beans are sitting in, and it makes it nice. Lastly, for the cans, get the pinto beans, whole thing in there, just not the sauce, not the liquid. Take my trusty wooden spoon, just mix everything together. And then lastly, for right now, remember those seasonings I mentioned? We're just gonna dump them all right in. Just like that, bam-o, bam-o. And give it another good stir. So I'll let this start melting together. We'll go check on our burgers. A little bit of pepper in there. Let's add about a teaspoon. Couple turns of sea salt. Not a lot. We're really gonna have something here. Yeah, this looks great. Okay. And yum-malicious, so good. Okay. Let's let that start cooking. Hatch green chili, turkey burger, and 3-bean chili. Does that sound good? I'm serious. That sounds great. I'm sweating, as you can see. Glad you made it. Summer might be over, but we can still integrate what we have in the freezer and in the cupboard and bring it all together in a fantastic recipe that I think everybody's gonna love. Okay, so I just pulled our turkey burgers off. I didn't want to get them too well done because they are going to cook a little bit in the chili as well. But I wanted them pretty much done. And you can see how much these turkey burgers cook down from what they originally look like. So what I'm going to do like this is cut these right down the middle. Cut them one more time right there. And one more time there. Just like that. Try and keep them intact. Whoops. I want it kind of chunky. I want it to be chunky turkey burger.
Chunky.
That worked pretty good. Yeah, perfect. Look at all that nice turkey burger meat. Okay. And what is now chili meat. Okay, so let's add the turkey burger meat. Give it a good toss. Get that lid on. 4 hours left. You guys know I'm a sucker for a really good chili recipe, so I'm really excited about trying this with the thick chunky pieces of turkey burger with the 3 beans, chili beans, pinto beans, and black beans, as well as the diced tomatoes and the corn. And then of course those Hatch green chilies are gonna be like out of this world. They have so much flavor, and those are gonna add our heat to this dish. So really excited to try this recipe. It's the first time trying this one. But you guys know this is my 3rd chili recipe for cooking with the claw. So it's a big dish in this house, I'm telling you. I was gonna use those turkey burgers to make actual hamburgers with, but I thought, you know what? Let's go low carb, let's go tasty but healthier, and get ready for our winter suits. So yummy. Oh man, nice and meaty. Oh man, that's delicioso. Looking good. Oh, we need a little bit of shredded cheese. Gotta have the shredded cheese, right? A dollop of sour cream. What do you guys think? Am I making you hungry? Okay, here's a taste test. Here we go. Oh, it smells so good. Be still my heart. It's got a little bit of a sweetness to it. I don't know if that's from the corn or the Hatch chilies, but oh my gosh. The flavors are out of this world. You guys are gonna love this one if you try it out. Wow, so good. And the little pieces of turkey burger in there, kind of a chunky chili, so good. What else do you want? I'm talking chili here, come on. It just makes your heart happy, doesn't it? I swear. Nothing like a good bowl of chili to just make you feel better, you know? And food makes you feel better, doesn't it? It's fun. And I have fun doing this channel. I have fun making these recipes and sharing them with you. You know, chili was always a big part of my family growing up. We made a lot of different kinds of chili. And it just reminds me of family. It reminds me of comfort. And I hope that you're spending time with your families right now during this season of the pandemic and everything going on. Hope everybody's being safe and being responsible. And I hope you like these videos. I hope it brings you some comfort. I hope it brings you some happiness, you know? I'm gonna run a bowl of this up to Caroline. I bet she's excited for some now too. You guys just have a great rest of your day. If you like my videos, please be sure to give me a like on this video and subscribe to my channel because I got all kinds of fun videos coming down the pipeline. Just give a like and a subscribe and a share, all those good things. And you know what? When food tastes this good, it should really be against the law. You've been cooking with the claw. Everybody have a great day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye, everybody.